Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to install Drupal 7 theme. Specifically, we are going to install a theme called Bootstrap Barrio. So to install a theme on Drupal 7, you go to Appearance, and then here you have already existing themes. So we are going to install Bootstrap Barrio. What you do is go to drupal.org/project/Bootstrap Barrio and choose the release for Drupal 7. I'm going to link it in the description. So once you're on this page, you either download the tar.js or the zip folder, or you can simply right click on this, copy link address, come back to your web page, click install new theme, paste the URL there, and then install. Once the installation is complete, enable newly added themes. So once it is enabled, you can see Bootstrap Barrio is installed and it is disabled. So before that, let's see how our web page looks like. So come here, open link in new tab. So you can see this is how our web page looks like. So let me copy this URL, open it in Firefox where we are not logged in, paste it there. So basically this is how our web page look like. So we are going to go back to Appearance, enable and set Bootstrap Barrio as our default theme. Once it is enabled, come back to your web page, refresh. So we shall get this error. It depends on Bootstrap theme. So we are going to install Bootstrap theme as well. Press enter, scroll down, click on the version for Drupal 7, right click on the installation file, copy link address, come back to Appearance, install new theme, paste the installation link, click on install, and then enable newly added themes. So down you can see Bootstrap 3 is installed, so let's enable it. So once it's enabled, let's come back here and refresh. So you can see Bootstrap is now active on our theme. However, there's still a couple of errors here. So let's go back to Appearance, go to Theme Settings, click on Components, Navbar, Normal, and then go to Advanced, click on Suppress jQuery error message, save configuration, go back and refresh. So there we go. That is basically how to install a new theme, which is Bootstrap Barrio in Drupal 7. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.